Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Ukandrat ki Sangma hakano apai sngi jong khatlai dari unailar arja arpusan ulap lebat ba ya umau nongrim bante penbha ban Pynitynnad ya ka Iewduh. Ya gani jing Pynitynnad ya ka Iewduh lamang Pisa san Klur tingka hagabenta baningkong ni ka first phase but khatlai point khandai pusau Klur haga second phase lingba ka North Eastern Council. Hagani sngi la donlang usumbut Menteri Rangba Kajela uba President Song uba senyap halang dhar sembut Menteri Rangba badepet ya ketenat Urban Affairs uba Sanbor Shulai MLA ke South Shillong constituency ke kong Amperin Lingdo Menteri ketenat ke kot ke khya uba penyat Sings EM CEM berim ke KHADC us EM ke Hima Meliam upa EM Ainam Manik EM nalor ki Menteri ke Hima Meliam.
Handshake it. And this one.
Yes, I love it. Register or no? Count, tell them the second phase. Yes, today 400. We'll keep it. Tell them that all will be registered. Then you see the difference, no? This is the work that's going on.
Yes, it makes a difference.
Yes, sir. It looks traditional.
Yeah. Be careful, be careful. No, we'll go there. Let them go. And let people go. Please go. Don't stop. Please.
Black.
Let them go first. They're all carrying. Let them go.
Sir, there is
Yeah. Let them go. Yeah, comparing. This is how the
looks traditional.
So what I want also. What I want is that. Oh, this way? Yes. What I want also is that. Wow. Some cleaning.
Yes, in daytime.
So they keep cleaning it.
Yes, sir.
And we will give support for that.
Yes, sir. In daytime.
More. We should do that.
So now I'd like to request our Chief Guest, Shri Conrad K. Sama, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, to kindly do the unveiling of the foundation stone.
Cameras can just go a bit back, please.
Yeah, you'll cover all. Yes.
Madam DC.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ban pun bahaya kecing tay pat kecing don jig yang pelba Iewduh bala baiting ka ada ka North Eastern Council. Hak ni kaporo ni don I rangkapan ni Menteri Rangba Kajela Shri Conrad K. Sama, Shri President of Deputy Chief Minister Sorkar Meghalaya, Dr. Mazel Amperin Lingdo Menteri Kakot Kekhya Sorkar Meghalaya, Iba Sanbor Shulai MLA Laban constituency. But Iba Ainam Manik same ka Hima Meliam but Kuwait. Very good afternoon to each and everyone present here as part of the foundation laying ceremony of improvement of infrastructure and public amenities project in Iewduh, funded by North Eastern Council and organized by the Department of Urban Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, in collaboration with Shillong Municipal Board, Government of Meghalaya. So right now the felicitation is going on for all the guests.
Ngitang prepare dan phase 1 phase 2 lah ada sanction.
Ang sanction kat no.
Ajong phase 1 sanction ke 5.80 crore. Phase 2 is 13.94 crore and the phase 3 bade ka DPR is still in progress.
But roughly about 20 plus.
Yes.
25 crores.
Total kalong about more than 50 crores.
Almost 50.
Touching 50 crores.
Touching 50 crore.
Okay.
Renovation and development of the Iewduh market. The first phase is done. Lane payment with the Sora sponsor is ongoing work, and the second phase is done. The Shillong Municipal Board will take up the work. Whatever remaining in these two phases, third phases, So this we are also start preparing, sir. So at present, like this payment of the lanes is phase 1 is only 4.6 kilometers, sir. But actually, as part is comprehensive master plan is quite so whatever
Additional
remaining,
funds will be required,
sir.
and the state government
And
will
also, sir, in this phase 3, sir. So we do this equipment of the facades of each and every store, sir. Then wherever those in this lanes where the hawkers are sitting, sir, then we'll have a canopy so that they'll protect the hawkers from the rains and from the sun, sir. And then also all this cables, power and then telecom cables, wherever possible, will go in the surface inside. It's not possible, then we'll keep a kind of a tray at the elevated position, sir. Then we'll keep it in that tray which looks like a channel, sir.
My request, if you could just to the press. If the press is there, please come this side. I think with this background, if you can, Hasi, he can just explain exactly what you just told. So what this project is now.
Kani comprehensive master plan for the development, renovation bagi improvement juga Iewduh market. At mentang ladan ka phase 1 ka bang sedang kani bangin leki ni payment ni seorang stone kat cingklai kala nangya. Kepaat pat menta kadai nak benda ki banli kini ki utility dogs kata penting of the municipal board kadai ka phase 2. Bar ka phase 3 pat ki basa nak kani ka phase 1 and phase 2 take up phase 3. Kaba pangilai ka phase 3 kalong kini install berkait nilai improvement nilai fasad improvement anda pi kini kabel ki badan jong power ne jong telecoms balong ban rung support hendak bomlong ngin buat kerja kan of tray ada limited position ni kini ya nak tu anda pi kini jaga syong ki hogas billion syong hogas menta kilong open dan ngin bu canopy na jurong kana ban cover iki ha poslap ha posiet bahkan protect iki nak slap nak jesiat